Calee.
And I'm Stephen.
And we're taking a road trip around Jamaica.
This time with baby Nyla. Come with us! Look at this.
Hang on, what is that? Is this a big stone?
Ostrich egg.
No, it's
No,
not.
they're not. You're right.
They lay 27 of them.
That's
one
not an
every
ostrich
other
egg.
day. Well, if you crack it, you eat the egg. Or you'd have to cook some egg.
No, have you ever eaten one of these?
Yeah, man. And you can stand on it and it won't break.
No way. Sure about this?
Good.
That's amazing.
Up to 400 pound weight.
So how would you break it?
Well, if you use an hammer, yes, or a knife, it will break. But
Okay.
you standing on it, won't break it.
Amazing.
Yeah, man. And the darker one is the male, right? The others are female. They're brave. They're the largest
Really?
eyes of all land animals.
Hi, what's his name?
You can call him Baya.
Bayo. Hi, Bayo. Come here, Bayo. I have food for you. I have food. How do you call them?
They look, I mean, they look like dinosaurs. They almost remind me of like a velociraptor or something.
4 females and 1 male. That's like the Jamaican way. Yeah, man. The darker one is the male. This tree was planted by Sir Winston Churchill. Sir Winston Churchill and Sir Harold Mitchell were close friends. It was said that Sir Winston Churchill spent 3 weeks in the Great House.
Oh, isn't that interesting?
Sir Winston Churchill planted the tree at the front.
Oh, wow.
Over there, that normally was once a pool, but now they turn it into a garden. Now it's mainly to get married. You can remarry, tie the knot a little tighter, no problem. 2 ties better than 1. Right here we're at the Camel Park. So when you're in Jamaica, at our Camel Park, you're not far from Egypt.
Do they have names? Riata.
Yeah, Betsy
Betsy.
and Katie.
So do you have baby ones? As in, do you breed the camels?
We have 2 camels. We have one named is Savannah. She's the first camel born here in Jamaica.
How long did it take you to master riding the camel?
Well, I would say a gentleman from Texas come and spend like 2 weeks here and show us how to look about the camel.
Okay.
So from there we take on from there.
Okay. Is it similar to riding a horse? How you control it with the rein?
Well, I would say it's more easier than the horses.
Easier than the
Because they are more sensitive than the horses.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're gonna
Easy
get
to
right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Also, by training them up, they're more easier to train up than the horses the same way.
I was going to pretend. Take a picture now. Good one, you know.
You gonna go?
Hi. Hi, girl. Are you going to take good care of me?
Come on.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Hi, Betsy. Come on, go, Betsy. Go some more, darling. I'm not done yet. She really only obeys you guys.
Oh,
Do they get tired easy?
No, man.
Franco.
She's bad. She didn't get a ride.
yeah, man.
Hold on, leave my color.
Yeah, what? Oh my gosh, you should have said that in bending down. Oh, my legs are so red.
It's good though.
It was worse.
Like this, the thing is it over front.
You're not so flexible at all.
I don't want
Ready? Go, Stephen. Go now.
Hey!
Now, as you can see, we approach the end of your tour. On behalf of everybody that works here, we'd like to say a pleasant thank you for coming. So thanks for all your attentiveness, and I wish for you all the best for the rest of your day, activities, and I hope you have a safe and pleasant journey back home.